Okay, so now let's apply support loops onto this model so that when we press number 2, it will not appear as such. Okay, so I'll go back to I will go back to 1, or the low poly view, and then I will just go to edge selection. I'll select this first edge here, for example, and then I'll select the next one, double click, and it creates a ring selection. And then I'll just go to my connect, and in the connect I will use, or I will set this to 2 segments, and then I will set the pinch to 1, or I can go for 1.25. So as you can see, the pinch separates the edge connections created, and as it nears the corners, they will become more sharp or more refined. If I turn the connect off and I go back to my object level selection and press number 3, so now you will see there it is. The sharpening begins. I can press Ctrl Z to undo, and you will see the difference. Shift Ctrl Z to redo this, and there we go. Or Ctrl Y, sorry. Now I'll just go back to my low poly view. I'll just double click the connect, saves the last settings and applies it. So I'll just switch to move tool, and then just connect. Just clicking connect allows me to repeat the last settings and the commands. So from here also I can do that. So I can try doing connections here. And then let's try do a connect. So it has run around. I'll just press enter and W for move tool. I'll do the same on the other side. All selected now. Let's do a connect, enter W, and then from here I can test. If I press number 3, so there it has started to shape up. So I'm just going to press 1, and then I will just go to my double click here, and then I'll just press connect, enter W. So pressing 3, so now that portion got sharpened. One. So now we have that here, so that I can sharpen the roundness of this, or pressing 2. See, you can see there. So for us to define that, I can just select all of this here, do a connect, and then I can adjust further the pinch, or if I don't want to adjust the pinch value, I can just switch to my move tool, control click, switch to the vertex selection, and then I can go to my scale tool and I can spread them like this. So as they near those portions, that becomes also clear or sharpened there. Here in this portion, for example, let's make it sharp on the corners. So pressing 1, pressing the edge selection, double clicking on the next, connect, W enter. So you have that. Next one. So I'm just repeating this. I don't want to duplicate anymore, since the settings is being saved. Connect. There it is. So now that we have these, so now I will try to sharpen this portion here. Let me go to the edge selection, double click, connect, enter. There, it has sharpen. W for move. I'll do the same on the other side, just to be clear on that part. Connect, enter, W for move tool. There. So we have so far defined those portions. Turn this off. And then I'll just deselect, pressing 3. So there. So far. And that is how it is working. Let's go to the next object, pressing number 3 or number 2. Now I'll switch to my edge selection. So these accents are going to be, let's say, I think this can be at 1.5 or at 2. No, 0.75. Yeah. There. So from here, connect, enter. It's going to be connect, enter, W. Do the same, connect, enter, W. And then I can just double click this portion here, connect, connect, there. All right, and then here, let's just see. Okay, so let me just select it from here. Let's say this. Pressing 1. Let's just check. Let's select this and double click the next. If it spins around, yes, connect. I think 1 is 0.75 is too much on that. So I'll just press undo so that it doesn't pinches too much. Yeah, I'll just leave it that way for now. There. Right? So I can just repeat it on the other side. I just double click here this time. Turn off connect. Double click, connect, enter, W, select, connect, and I'm just repeating. Three. There it is. So now, even at smooth view, this is how our design looks like initially. I can select this. I can do a right click, assign existing material. Let's try applying standard surface, just to change or separate them by material. Okay, so this is how you can apply your support loops for every model. Though that is one way of applying that. But again, it depends on the complexity of your model, on how to create a smooth view or a hard surface model through the use of your support loops. Okay, thank you for your time.